Best buy for laptop: how to buy a laptop computer. There is a wide range of laptop models available on the market today, and buying the right machine can turn into a confusing mission. There are laptop computers intended for home users, multimedia, business and gaming. You can spend from $18,000 to $50,000. The very first step you need to do is to determine your needs. If you spend a lot of time traveling, your best option is a light laptop with long battery life. If you are an average home user, you can easily select a low-range laptop that will cost you about $20,000. If you use the internet a lot or store photographs and videos, your choice should be a mid-range laptop that will cost you from $20,000 to $30,000. But if plan to purchase a gaming laptop, be ready to pay at least $50,000. Look at the following categories. The processor is the most important thing to take into consideration. Intel Core i3, i5 and i7 processors found in laptops. Avoid desktop processors in laptops because they need a lot of power and will quickly exhaust your battery. Screen sizes range from 12 to 19 inches. A laptop computer with a smaller screen is a great option if you do not plan to use a laptop too much. A larger screen is perfect for extensive use. Your new laptop should have at least 1 GB of memory. Also, your machine should come with a dedicated video card with 128 MB of memory. Choose a faster hard drive with at least 500 GB of space. This is sufficient for the majority of users. Gamers should get at least 1 TB hard drive.